Welcome to Chitrayan Art Academy. Today I am going to show you how to draw and paint a landscape on oil pastel. Before that, I want to introduce my art materials also. I use here some pencil like 2B or 4B and oil pastels also. Okay, if you are following this tutorial, watch this video till end. You can follow my drawing step by step. Let's start our drawing. At first we draw the horizon line. I finish my rough sketch, then I go to the final drawing. I finish my drawing, then I apply oil pastel. At first I apply deep yellow. After deep yellow I use medium yellow. After medium yellow I use white. I use light blue. After light blue, I use cerulean blue on the top of the sky. Again, I apply white on the sky blue. After finishing the sky, we apply deep green on the horizon bushes. I use Prussian blue at the below part of the bushes. I apply white on the bushes to make defocus or hazy. Then I am using lemon yellow on it. After lemon yellow I use light green. Yellow occur of the light green. Deep green for shading part. I use dark brown at the lower part of land. Light green for trees. Orange for rooftop. And primary red for shading. Yellow ochre. I apply dark brown for shading. After black I use grey color for shading. Yellow ochre for the way and brown for shading. I apply white on the top of the river. then light blue, I think I finished my work. My only advice to you, practice every day as much time as you can spend, because practice makes a man perfect. Hope you like this video. If yes, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.